everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lucky. So today I am going to demonstrate how to peel and how to cut peach. So firstly we peel it like this way. It's very beautiful and tasty, even juicy. So even I didn't know this one, so my wife told me how to peel and cut. So and this is my way anyway. So there are some other better ways to peel it, but still I'm also learning, but I want to do somehow. So if it is wrong, beg your pardon. And please let me know if you know how to peel and cut better than me. So anyway, it's getting better. And my wife is laughing. It's not the right way. But in Japanese we call momo. So now is the second part. I'm going to demonstrate how to cut a peach. Oh, it's juicy. Oh, look at that. Like this. See? Please let me comment, am I right to cut or not? And share your experience, how tastes peach. Oh. It's yummy. Oh my god. That's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.